Enhancing the vehicle's capability and toughness even further, the Explorer Pack allows you to tackle the most uncharted landscapes with absolute confidence. And if that adventure takes you into dusty or sandy conditions, the raised air intake will help draw cleaner air into the engine. Features such as the wheel arch protection not only add to the vehicle's unmistakable appearance, but also help to shield it in the form of a durable, high-quality composite material. Front and rear classic mud flaps reduce spray and guard Defender's paintwork from dirt and debris, whilst complementing its exterior design. Added to this, the rear mud flaps are Land Rover branded. The exterior side-mounted gear carrier is both waterproof and lockable, making it the ideal spot to store your belongings. And embossed with the Land Rover Defender logo, the spare wheel cover provides all-season protection for your rear-mounted spare wheel. Incredibly lightweight, yet capable of carrying a dynamic load capacity of up to 132 kilograms, the Expedition roof rack means you can make more of your adventure. Details, including the matte black bonnet decal, point to the vehicle's distinctive look. There's a range of upgrades to choose from, such as the deployable roof ladder, which lets you simply reach or load belongings onto the roof. Fixed side steps also aid access to the vehicle. Add to this the front Expedition protection system, which includes the front undershield, an A-frame protection bar and raised corners, and you've got robust protection to the front of your Defender. And if the view's just too good to be missed, stay the night. The hard-shell rooftop tent provides convenience and comfort, no matter where off-road happens to take you. So get behind the wheel and go on the ultimate trek.